Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the essential aspects of your LinkedIn profile, adding experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, showcasing your work history effectively can make a significant impact on your professional online presence. So let's dive in. To add experience to your LinkedIn profile, you need to be logged into your LinkedIn account. So go ahead and open up LinkedIn application or visit LinkedIn's website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're logged in, click on your profile at the upper right corner and now click on View Profile. Now select this plus icon next to Experience. Tap on Add Position. Now you'll see a form to enter your experience details, and you need to include your company name, location, employment type, dates of employment, description of your role and responsibilities. And once you've filled in all the necessary details and added media if applicable, it's time to finalize and save your experience. So click the Save button and your experience will be added to your LinkedIn profile. But before we wrap up, make sure to review your profile to ensure everything looks great. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is your online resume, so it's essential to keep it up to date. And that's it. You've learned how to add experience to your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.